Playing Stumble Guys with your friends is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can play Stumble Guys with your friends. So first of all, you have to be at the Stumble Guys application, as you guys can see, and now here you just have to tap on this setting gear icon, and here you guys will be able to see these options. You guys can link this account to your Facebook, your email, and your friends on Facebook will also be added in your Stumble Guys. But if you don't want to do that, there's another way to play with your friends. What you have to do is you just have to go back here, and I'm just gonna cut it right now, and then you just have to click on this party section. And now here you guys can see two options. The first one is create a party, the second one is join. So if you want to create a custom party in which only you and your friends wants to play, then you have to tap on custom game. You can select all the settings, and what it will do is if you tap on create, it will create a party with a party code. What you have to do is you just simply have to send the code to your friends, and they can easily join the party with that code. So if you don't know how to join, I'm just going to tell you how to join as well. If you go to party again, you just have to tap on this join, and you just have to type in the code that your friend must have sent you. So that's how you guys can play this game with your friends. Hope you guys find this very helpful.